Okay guys, so what do you do when you have spent so many hours decorating your beautiful cake with all these beautiful, elaborate, fondant decorations, and you realize that you have to fit a special message in there? That's a really hard thing to say. A special message. Like, for example, happy birthday or happy anniversary or happy retirement or whatever it is that you need to say. So you could just grab a piping bag and write it on top of the cake in like the old school traditional way, but why do that when we can do something way better? And I'm gonna show you what you can do. We are going to make an edible banner with a special message, then we can put it in the front of your cake. So here we go. So for my edible banner, I have a small piece of white gum paste, and I am going to roll it out really thin to a number 3 on my pasta roller. So I have all the stuff I need for this. I need some edible food color. And here's the thing, guys. If you want to write a special, I'm not even gonna say that word again. If you want to write something special, there we go, on a cake that is, for example, all blue, then you want to write with blue. But for this case, I am going to use black. So you want some food color and a ribbon cutter, and that's about it. Oh, another good thing is, like, make sure when you put your cake on the board that you leave enough room for this, and cut it to whatever size you need it to be. Can we show this? So I am going to cut the edge just like a ribbon. All right, so here is the trick to make it look really cool. You want to fold it so that it looks like a real ribbon. So that's it. So you have your banner, and now you have to figure out what you want to write on it. All right, so the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to write my special message on the paper so that I can calculate where the middle is. So I am going to write. So what I do is that I calculate the middle, and then just so that I know where to start, because I always start in the middle. Mix a little bit of food color with some vodka, and pick what kind of letter you want to start in the middle. All right, this is it. I'm going to write, guys. I got a little distracted by you guys, and we made a boo-boo. Let's see if I can fix it. Usually I would just restart, but let's see what happens. I'm cleaning it with some alcohol. There. Happy birthday to me, because it's going to be my birthday. And that's it. You let it dry. This can be done ahead of time. And okay, that's it. It's done. This is the way I write. I like to write special messages. Ha, I got it. This is the way I do it. And it's easy. It doesn't take a lot of time, and you can write anything on it in whatever color you want. And if you are thinking, what the heck, how am I going to be able to write this if my handwriting is not pretty? This is how you do it. I cheat. I have a calligraphy book, and I've been using this forever. So it gives you different types of fonts and how to use them, and that's it. So you can just copy some letters, you can make your own, you can do whatever you want with it, and it makes any cake look a lot more professional and fancy. And yeah, why not? Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If there is something that you guys want to learn about, or any tips that you need, or anything you need help with, or want to hear me talk about, you can just leave me a comment below and I'll read those. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the thumbs up if you like my video, and stay tuned for next week so you can see more cool videos.